Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cook an entire chicken in the slow cooker. Let's get started. You're going to start by cutting one onion into thick slices. Separate the slices and put them at the bottom of the slow cooker. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Now we're going to start on the spice mixture. Add half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and mix all of those together in a bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 minced garlic clove in a bowl and brush the mixture onto both sides of the chicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle the seasoning mix on both sides of the chicken and pat it down so the spices have a chance to stick. Place the chicken into the slow cooker and add 2 to 3 bay leaves. No need to add any liquids. Cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 7 to 8 hours. And that's it. You have a tender and juicy chicken within a matter of hours. It would be perfect for meal prepping, and you can use it in so many different recipes. I hope you will give it a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.